everyone, Jackson here, and today is the weekend. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. Do the weekend dance. I am watching Johnny Test. Johnny, you screaming like a girl. Eh. Oh. I was actually going to do a video last night, but I got really tired. Wiggle, 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 shake, 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 senora. Shake the butt, right? Shake, 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 senora. Dang. I thought that's how you zoomed in on YouTube. Say buttons. Nope, no buttons. If any of you guys know how to zoom in, or all that other cool stuff like editing on YouTube, please tell me. I have no idea. Please. So yeah. Oh, my shirt. See. My shirt goes right through it to my skin. No. No. It's almost over, so I'll let it finish. Three, 2, 1. It's over. Alright, so it's not gonna like do the countdown and start the episode. Do the countdown. My dad makes it so it pauses. So I have to click for the next episode. So
Yeah, I don't think we'd be wasting any. I think I don't think we'd have enough to do. I mean, well, we read the specs on it.
Yeah, I mean, in terms of coverage, I think we're pretty close, really. But it all depends on how well it covers. Does it really meet their specs?
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
when are you gonna get the train track box out of the van?
Oh, I gotta get the train track box out of the box. Yeah. How about this? How about I get me and the guys to grab this desk and move it out of this living room finally? Even though it's not really ready to move out of the living room, but it could be somewhere else, and then we'll put the train box over there. How'd that work? That would work well for me.
How about you?
Plus, it would give you train track area.
How about first you bring the train track box in, and then move that out.
But then I won't have a place to put the train box when I move it in. See?
You have a spot right here, and I was cleaning up.
The rest of your crap.
And I was cleaning up.
The rest of your crap.
And I was moving.
Your crap.
And I was moving stuff around over here so you could put it over here.
In front of the rest of your crap. Hey, Matt.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk.
I know, we'll figure it out.
We're gonna, you know what? We're gonna figure it out.
We're gonna figure it out, dude. And no, it's gonna be better than that. It's gonna be right. This way it always works. Thank you for catching me on that. I love you.
I know you're up in your head. I'm up in my head. We're gonna figure it out.
I mean, it's
though.
just.
Yeah.
You already know. Can't focus on the problem. We gotta focus on the solution. We're doing a pretty good job of that. We're touching it little by little today. That's the thing that's been screwing me up on this for the last 3-4 months. Is I get caught up in the problem and not the solution. And man, that is not the way I'm wired.
Yep. Yep. No, thank you, brother.
Why are you guys upside down?
Hey, Don.
Hmm?
You're a little noisy and distracting, but you bring value. Hey, Don.
Oh, yuck. I know I'm upside down.
And that snoring thing,
So when will it take? So when are you gonna move that?
I'm getting ready to right now, buddy.
Alright.
Oh, dude, that is fucking hilarious. So I've had this freaking desk sit down here for like 9 months, right? And part of the reason I had it sit down there was because, oh, we are. Part of the reason I had it sit down here is because I freaking had to fight to get one of the doors out. And I was like, well, what am I going to do with that? How am I going to fix that? How am I going to get my daughter to cat to use when she getting one of the doors? Drawers were swapped. They're what? The bottom drawer was supposed to be where the middle drawer that I couldn't get out goes. I would if Matt wasn't in there. Okay, this I believe my son. Well, you.
Yeah, because this is my wallet.
Hey, would you send set that soap in there somewhere where soap might go? Thanks, bud.
You hear that though? Death with the tile saw shit.
Ned, I believe this battery belongs to you.
Right now. You want any of this stuff?
Dad, I believe this.
Trash it, all of it. Don't even ask me except for
Dad.
my
You want the trash kit that you got from that place?
That I believe that battery. That I believe that battery belongs to you.
What about this thing?
You looking for it?
Second floor, subfloor insulation, how to estimate a job.
Oh, no, that was kind of.
That was the dust.
Yeah, this is a good one. Yeah.
Hopefully I still have that. I wanna look at the friggin'.
Yeah, no, these have actually been pretty
Pretty good?
valuable. Yeah, everyone I've grabbed, I've gotten something important out of.
Oh, it's not as big as I thought. I'm all clearing a whole wall.
Oh, we're moving the
That
desk.
shit looks good. Yeah. Simpson Strong Tie book?
Yeah, I want that. That's their catalog.
Field treating preserved wood products.
Cool. What's that? Oh, that came from the trade show.
Yeah.
Or the, whatever it was.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep that. Recycled it. Oh, these.
Yeah, most of that came from the trade show.
I've been
opening and closing.
Hey, so every time I go over to Jeannie's, I
I'll
struggle
see
with
you guys
myself not going to have
later.
that for
My
me.
dad gets
Right?
Jackbox. Hey everyone, Jackson here, and I'm back, and the iPad is at 20% battery. I mean, no, not the iPad, my phone. My phone. Although, my dad did get the train track box. This video is going to have to be cut short. I was going to finish the video off by me building a train track and playing with it, but since the iPad's at 20, the phone's at 20%, so well, this is Jackson. Please subscribe, like, comment, and if there's not too many of you, I will reply. You can now follow me on Musical.ly. My username is @7bark. And this has been Jackson's World. Goodbye. Hang on. Sorry. There. Bye.